Hey guys, good afternoon everyone. Today is June 12, 2020 and it's Independence Day. There's no market today because it's a holiday here in the Philippines, but we just want to make sure we're prepared for Monday's action. Okay. Well, I have here stocks that you have requested and I will go ahead and go through each one we'll see if these are worth entering or exiting. We don't really know. Okay, so these are your stocks. Okay. Now, before we start, I'd like to invite everyone, if this is your first time to watch our video, we are doing this every day. We review only the technical analysis part of, a stock. And if you want to watch more of this, I'd like to invite you guys to hit the subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always updated whenever we have new videos. You may also click the like if you like the video. Now let's start. SecB. There's a first part to this video because I recorded, when was that? The other day, last Thursday night. So I'll start with SecB. Sorry, noisy. Okay, SecB is, let me just change this to black. SecB is currently establishing a new support in this area. Okay, there used to be a strong support at this level, and we had a breakdown in the price, and then it's slowly trying to recover. And I'd like to use 99.64 as our new support, but your nearest resistance is at this level. Overall, we're just trying to trigger the upper Bollinger Band. We're on our way there. So I feel that with the right volume, that resistance area will be broken because looking at the potential of the stock, we're still at a very promising level. There's a big potential in the risk to reward ratio. Your risk is only up to here, right? When it breaks down in price, second, it might create a double bottom at the 77.19 area. But the probability of it really shooting up is much higher than it breaking down in price. Okay, look at the revenue for Q1. While the others are on a negative, this company is positive. Okay, so that's another good thing to look forward to. VUL also is starting to move higher, but there's a short-term resistance that we see at the moment at the 0.74 area. You're also getting near your overbought level, so we're not there yet, but I feel that as soon as we hit this level, it might encounter some difficulties breaking that. So what I suggest, if you're really into this stock, wait for a breakout of the 0.74 level before you enter. Otherwise, just catch it when it declines. I feel that it will just go back to your 0.67 level when it declines. Okay, overall, that's the outlook. You're very near. Well, it just looks near, but the price level for that is already significant. That is around 50%. But overall, if I'm now talking to the long-term investors, this is a promising stock for long-term uh, engagement. MAH. MAH, there's a breakdown in the MA20 area, so I don't feel good. We might have some more declines here. First area would be 2.32. That would be the first area it will test. Sometimes it will just linger in that level and then shoot higher, something like this. But for now, we'll just stay on the lookout and really observe what happens around 2.32. If more weakness manifests at that level, then it might continue to drop further downwards here, which is around 1.71. That's the next level. No, actually 1.90, because this used to be a resistance here. So it might drop up to that level if 2.32 does not hold. MEG. MEG is trying to create a bounce in this level. Good job. I feel that it might continue to create a brand new wave. It might create a brand new wave. Okay, so in some stocks, you will just see something like this. It's like the opposite of what happened here. Slight bounce and then massive decline. This one, shoot higher, slight retracement, it might again move and create a higher high. Right now, it's trying to create a higher low, which is what we see when a stock is in an uptrend. So I feel that we might have some more movements going up. Just be extra careful because, of course, your RSI is already at the overbought level. So this is something that, you know, good for momentum play. Meaning, when you do momentum play, you have to really watch the market, and most of the time they use a much faster time frame. In the meantime, if the market gives you a chance at the 3.19, the nearer you are to the support level, the better. 3.19 level for now. As for the position traders, they are not favorable with this kind of setup because for them it's already looking more expensive. But I'm not saying you cannot trade this. It's just that you have to be in a faster time frame and probably exit faster because sometimes movements can happen so fast within this type of game, right? Trend following. Fgen. Fgen is okay. Look at this. First of all, you are just sitting at the overbought level. At the same time, somehow it's just sitting at the resistance area. So, and also you have a gap here. So I feel that another red candlestick might come out on Monday and then retrace and fill this gap. I feel that if when it drops, it will retest your 18.98 or 19 peso level. That's the one. Okay, 19 peso level. Currently, it's sitting at a resistance. Look at that. That was a resistance before. So if it retraces, the nearer you are to the 19.02, the better. Smph. Smph also managed to bounce at a significant area here. This used to be a resistance, as you can see, and then we managed to break out of that, and then it retests this level. So for me, 32.05 is a good entry price if you want to accumulate volume. So enter there, and the nearest resistance could be at the 34.12. That's the nearest. So for traders who just want to range trade, that's the range that we see at the moment. But of course, with the right volume, if we're still above this cloud, that means there's good volume happening there. There's a big chance that it will break that short-term resistance. BDO over here landed at, so you see, I feel that this doji, this looks like a hammer, but let me see. This might create a brand new support at the area where it is at right now. So looks like it, right? See that this area, it might respect the 103.42 and then move higher, or this one. because when it dropped over here, there was a bounce same day. So I think it's done bouncing at this level. We might have some more movements going up, but if you can haggle around 103, because some people might, get in and out of this stock within the day. So try to haggle around 103.42. I think that's already a good entry price. Okay, more bullish movements for this stock. It's just that it's normal because for the past how many days it has been on a an aggressive movement or bullish movement, and it's just resting right now. Actually, time for us to buy some more. This one too has oh X date June 11th. So yesterday, if you were able to get in, no, actually that's not included anymore. If you get in on the X date, you're not part of the payout. You have to be in the stock prior to June 11th, and then the first minute of the day for June 11th, if the system sees you, then you're included. But if you only enter on the 11th of June, then you're not included. Wilcon. Wilcon here is trying to retrace. Let us see if we see a green candlestick forming in this level. Okay, this used to be a resistance and it's now retesting that level. If it doesn't break here, probably open a green candlestick here. That's a good validation that we are going to bounce now. Okay. Otherwise, you can also do this. Trade that and then just follow that trend line. There. So enter right here in this lower line, and then if it breaks that, that means it's not a good sign. You will have some declines. So I'll just use that as your this as your support and this as your resistance. And your trigger points, if that yellow line gets broken, you end outside of that, then that's your signal. Cut your losses by then. But enter near this support line over here. Pure gold. Pure gold is currently still sitting at a resistance, but I don't feel good here anymore because while we are just doing flat line over there, the RSI is already declining, no more volume. Also, your RSI, your Bollinger Band is starting to point downwards. So I think it will rest some more if 47.44 is not broken. We have to first that. But as you can see, while we are here at the top, momentum is starting to die down. So let me just use this area first. This being the support because we saw this, and then this part as a resistance. Okay, those are your significant areas to really observe. MWC. MWC is currently so far respecting your MA20 line, so I'd like to use our MA20 as an area of bounce. Just in case the market gives you a chance at 11.98, that will be a good entry. This used to be a resistance. Probably now it will create a brand new support at that level. But your nearest resistance is at 12.89. There you go. Okay. I'd like to reserve this. Okay. For Mart, which is I'm not a big fan of an IPO because it does not really give us the true market value of a stock. So the key there is if you want to get in, you really have to get in at the first minute or at the start, because normally it shoots up and then somewhere midday or when it's about to end, sometimes it declines and it traps the newbies up there and they're stuck. But the best time to enter is around normally 3 to 5 days after the stock goes IPO, because that's where you'll see the true value or true market value of a stock. So if you want to engage in Mart, make sure, okay, this is really a game for more tenured in trading. Trade really fast and use a faster time frame for this stock during the IPO. And I forgot when is the IPO, by the way. It's not in yet. I think it should be available in PSE Edge. Double Dragon. Double Dragon has a big spike. I wonder. That could also be related to because I think these two companies are related to each other, if I'm not mistaken. So we just have to be extra careful here. But I feel that if the two companies are linked, then there's a big chance that it will also influence the movement of Double Dragon in the coming days. So even if I say this is already a big jump in the price in just a day, I feel that there could still be some more opportunities to move higher. But if you just want to haggle for a little bit, um, enter here. 18.65 if the market gives us a chance. Let's say if it will retrace, for instance, probably here, because there used to be a resistance there. 19.11 if you want to try it out. Okay, but I think it might have some more bullish actions for Double Dragon in the coming days. Okay, I think that is it for now. I will continue recording the other stocks later. I will just gather a few more requests from you guys. Maybe you have a request, and just drop a comment and let me know which stock you'd like me to review. So far, I'll record another part or another video to cover for these stocks. Okay, so far for this video, we were able to cover these. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Catch our next video. Thank you. Bye bye for now.